Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Peacock TV on Smart TV. Quick setup step by step clearly. Begin by turning on your Smart TV. Navigate to the App Store on your Smart TV. Search for Peacock TV in the App Store. Select the Peacock TV app from the search results. Click on the Install or Download button to begin the installation. Once the app is installed, open the Peacock TV app. You will see the option to sign in or create a new account. If you already have an account, select Sign In. If you don't have an account, select Sign Up to create a new one. After selecting Sign In, enter your email and password. If prompted, accept the terms and conditions. Once logged in, you will see an activation code on your screen. Now, grab your mobile device or computer. Open a web browser and go to www.peacocktv.com/link. Enter the activation code displayed on your TV screen. Click on the Continue button after entering the code. Your TV will refresh and you will be logged into your Peacock TV account. Now, you can start browsing and streaming your favorite shows and movies. Enjoy your viewing experience on Peacock TV. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.